guys, welcome back. Just picked up this little gem. She's absolutely beautiful, little 2013 Ford Kuga. Just picked up this for the boy to run around in. It's got all its bells and whistles, nice little alloy wheels, little tow bar there. And one of the things that we did find out when we picked it up was one of the kids wanted to use the CD player as a money box, and we got a couple of dollars out of it. I'm going to show you guys how we had to take the radio apart to get that out. You only need some simple tools, a little torque bit there, that's a T20, and another one a T25. Really simple for the process to be done. Now for this video I've actually already taken out the screws just to make it a little bit easier, otherwise the video would last for a bit. We just get our hands underneath here, we basically lift this up, get it out of our way. Now when you're doing this job, T25 there, a T25 there, and lift this up. When you lift it up, it's so easy to do. There's a little clip there at the back, undo that, pull that out, that's that one out of the way. Now this is the next bit. Get your little rubber mat, lift that up out the way, torque screwed there, and I believe that was it. Get your hand behind here and just pull it up. Same on the other side. Pull it up. Get that out of the way. There was another torque at the back, so there's the 1, 2, and then there's the 3 torque settings. Now on the stereo, or the torque one there and there, that's both T25. Get your hands underneath, pull it out, pull it out, pull it underneath, just gently, don't be rough with anything, just pull it out, and there is this power cable sitting there, nice and easy. Just pull that out of the way. All of this comes off, put that out your way. And there's the stereo. Now there's another torque bit right there, that's the T20 on one there, T20. Undo them and pull the stereo out. And then behind you will find this one here, take that one out, that one out. There will be 2 aerials here, one white, one black. Price them off. I'd already taken it out for the video. There they are there, sitting there. Very simple. Now because they'd used this as a money box, very easy to undo. One screw there, there. This one here on the side, that one there on the back. All of that came off, and I ended up with that. All of that came out. This job probably took me about 15 minutes and probably saved me an absolute fortune and a headache later on. And that's how simple this is to do. And now we'll just put it all back. Really super simple. Connect up them, stereo goes back. That's going to go back and put everything back as normal, and I shall show you that in just a minute. So guys, there's all them connections back in. Dead simple, dead easy. Get your stereo, push it back. That's it. Get your T20. That's that one. The other T20. That one goes in there. And we shall tighten them up and then put the front on. That's all been put in now, screwed in. Now we get our next bit. Lift this up. Connect that back in. Literally push that back in. Get our little torque screws. And we shall put them in. It's already starting to come back together. So guys, that's all done now. Torque screws all put in. Next bit is this. Put this back in place. Push that down. 3 of our torque screws. One here. One here. And one at the back. Just there. So we'll put them in and we'll get that done. Getting closer to being finished. That bit's all done. Torque screws all tightened up. Put our little rubber matting back. There you go, she's all in there. Get our head unit. Oh. Connect that back up. Got that done in the end. Put it back in here. Get our very last 2 torque screws and put them in just there. So we'll get them in and then we'll put the very last bit on. So guys, that's that bit now. Them last 2 torque screws were done up. Just get our very last bit. Get that all lined up. Just knock it back into place. Give it a little jiggery poker if you have to. Just push it back into place. We've done that whole job with just a torque T20 and a torque T25, and that's how easy that was to do. Now we'll just give it a little try out. Pretty hard to go and find a CD. Don't think anyone uses them anymore, but I found one. So it says it's ready for the CD. CD's gone in.